We all go through a lot of stress daily in our life. Hence, having a vacation stress-free and relaxing is so important. But it really depends on how well you have planned for it and if you have packed the luggage accordingly or not. Hence, in this video, I'm going to share the top 5 things you need to pack if you plan for a South African holiday. But before that, let me introduce myself. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Sun Tanned on Road Trips. My name is Sunny and I have been traveling solo around the world for the past few years now. So here to share my experience to help you plan your dream vacation better. But enough of that, let's get this video started. South Africa is a card-friendly country. Hence, you don't have to carry loads of dollars or your home currency to get it exchanged in South African rand. So any of your international credit card should work just fine. However, I would recommend to carry a Forex card so that you can withdraw some cash just for emergencies. I know, many will say eSIM are better than tourist SIM, especially for convenience. However, often they are expensive. Hence, I would recommend Vodacom in South Africa. They offer the best 5G coverage at a reasonable price, which I have used in Cape Town during my visit, and it worked perfectly, even in the outskirts of Cape Town. Next, you will find these two apps to be very handy while in South Africa. First, Uber. Due to lack of public transport, getting a cab is the best option. And Uber works just fine in most of the cities and is affordable and reliable. Next, Eskom Se Push. Unfortunately, power outages, especially load sheddings, is a reality in South Africa. Here this app becomes very handy as it notifies you upcoming power outage in your area so that you can plan accordingly. Next, charging adapter. If you are someone from the US, UK or Europe, chances are your international adapter might not work in South Africa, as type M plug with 3 round pins are used here. However, nothing to worry as you can easily grab one of these from the airport or any convenience store as well. If you are heading to South Africa, chances are you might indulge in wildlife safaris or, as they call it in Africa, game drives for a few days. However, if so, please do remember to take malaria vaccine prior to arrival, as Kruger National Park has mosquitoes in abundance along with big animals, and you don't want to spoil your vacation falling sick by these little buggers. Here are some bonus points to keep in mind. Drinking water. As South Africa faces water crisis for some time, it is always advisable to drink bottled water during your trip. Next, tipping culture. Tipping is expected in South Africa, especially in restaurants where it's customary to tip about 8 to 10% of the bill. For any other services like taxi and tour guides, tipping is also appreciated. That's all everyone. Hope you found this video useful. Please do comment if you have any question or suggestion for the future video as well. Until then, bon voyage.